So one of the easiest ways to do drop shipping with Amazon is to simply set up a Shopify site. You know, it's super simple. You get a 14-day free trial. After that, it's like $29 a month. There's a couple themes that you can use. Brooklyn, Conversion. Those are really good themes, especially because a lot of people are shopping on their mobile phone right now, their tablets and stuff like that. So a lot of the traffic, the people that you're getting on your website are mobile. So you want to make sure it's mobile optimized. But anyways, drop shipping with Amazon is as simple. You can drop ship from anywhere. You can drop ship from any online retailer, list their products on your Shopify site. And when you get a notification that you have a sale, just knowing that it's from Amazon, hey, you go over, you fulfill the order on Amazon. Here's some things to keep in mind when you're drop shipping with Amazon. I'm at my land here in Idaho. I just bought this acre, 1.2 acres, just a few weeks ago. So I'm gonna build a house here. It's all $1, $2, $3 million homes. It's really nice. View of the mountains, it's amazing. That's not what you're here for. So when you're drop shipping with Amazon, there's a couple things that you want to keep in mind. One of the key benefits to Amazon is the fast shipping. Now, when you're using AliExpress, Oberg, things like that, they're predominantly products that are coming from China. And not that there's necessarily a major issue with that, but the one issue, if you want to pick something, is shipping speed, okay? You're talking where you're waiting 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. Things are going through customs. It takes time, okay? And if you've got something that you're trying to push for the holiday, or you want faster shipping, or if you want to be able to have a selling point on your Shopify site that like, hey, fast shipping, worldwide shipping, 7-day shipping guaranteed or something like that, then using something like Amazon where you've got fast shipping is going to really help. So you search out those products on Amazon that you want to sell and you list them on your site. You can literally copy paste the description, add it to your site, go to add a product, add it to your site, and you can literally take the pictures, right click, save, and then upload right onto your Shopify, okay? So you can literally take whatever the product is and just bring it right over to your Shopify site, have it right on there. And when you get an order, you go right over to Amazon, you put in the customer shipping information, you've already got their money, they've already paid you, boom, click, send. Now here's a couple things that I recommend when you're drop shipping with Amazon. Is one, if you can make sure that you're using products that are Amazon Prime, because if they're Prime, they typically have even faster shipping options, and the shipping is being fulfilled by Amazon. You see, not all products on Amazon are being fulfilled by Amazon. There are other people listing their products on Amazon's site. So it's more streamlined. It's going to be more reliable. Not that it isn't, but it's going to be extremely reliable, more guaranteed to ship faster, and less parameters if you're using Amazon Prime products. That's the first thing. Make sure that they're Amazon Prime products. Second thing is that if you can, make sure that there's a gift receipt option, okay? And that simply makes sure that when product arrives that it doesn't say shipped by Amazon on behalf of some company that's like the name of the product or something like that. You don't want people to like get the impression that like, what? Did I just get gypped? Did I just get sold something that was resold somewhere else, etc.? So you want to make sure that you do gift receipts as much as possible. So on the left side, when you're on Amazon products and you're looking at all these products or typing products out, on the left side, you'll see like price, ratings. You can sort by like 4-star or more, 3-star or more, etc. You can search by niche, all that stuff. On the left side, you can simply select the checkbox that says Prime, and you can select another checkbox that says gift receipt available, okay? And that simply will make sure that it has a receipt for them that's got the barcode and the return policy on there, but it doesn't have like Ben Oberg, 625 23rd Avenue, Nampa, New Jersey, 83147 or whatever. It doesn't have any of your information on there that makes it like, what the heck, this is confusing, okay? So those are things that I recommend when you're learning how to drop ship from Amazon. Just put up a Shopify site, okay? Get your 14-day free trial. Add the products with the product description from Amazon, the images from Amazon, plant them right on your site. You get that notification. Boom, you go over, you fulfill the order with the customer shipping information. And when you're sourcing your products from Amazon, just click that checkbox Prime and click that other checkbox for gift receipt. Those are 2 parameters that'll make it a little bit easier, streamlined, more reliable, and even faster shipping. Okay, guys, if you learned right here and you're brand new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, drop a comment below, and definitely make sure to like. And most importantly, I always include some extra bonuses and everything in the description, so be reading that, and I will see you next time.